Hello everyone, welcome to another video. This is another perfume video. Yes it is. This one I got ordered from All Beauty, but that's just the on seller. So I will open it up, and I don't know if I can just open it up here on... Yeah, this is going to be tricky. I'm going to have to open it and then come back. Hold on a sec. Okay, I've opened it. I've got the seal open. And there we go. Nicely packaged from the look of it. Paper. Oh, look at this. Look at how beautiful it is. Look at that. Queen of the Night by Merchant of Venice. Egyptian seal. Let me get it out of the packet and we'll have a look at it. So there it is. It's in this beautiful packet. It's all wrapped up and sealed. There we go. So this obviously it opens in a hinge. Merchant of Venice. Merchant of Venice. And even the box is embossed. Right, so let's open this up and we'll see what it's like. Okay, now I don't know if you can see, but there we go. The seal is sort of like enamelled with blue wings. Let's see if we can... Aha, yes. There it is. Okay, are you ready for this? If I can get it open. Oh. Ooh. Oh, hang on a second, it's come out of its box. Okay, I set it back into place, so now we can have a look at it properly. Oh my god, this is difficult to do. And there it is. There's the box. There is the perfume in its beautiful little container. Let me get it out and I'll show you what it looks like. And here is the glorious bottle. It's come with a little necklace. I think that's actually a necklace, or at least it's a perfume charm. The bottle itself has the same embossing as the box. It has a gold lid, gold in there. That's the size of it in my hand. And there it is. Oh, that's a weighty, that is weighty. It's really heavy. That's great. That's a full solid piece of metal. And then it has its pump spray. And there it is there. All right, let's have a sniff of this, shall we? Let me put it on. What do you think of this? I mean, it is quite beautiful, isn't it? Okay. Ooh, okay, so first scent is there's edibles, and there's florals, and there's oud. Oh, there's a lovely mix of stuff. Hold on a second. Okay, so Queen of the Night, it's an oriental woody fragrance, and it's got saffron, cinnamon, and blue lotus with incense and oriental and kefi. And then there's sandalwood, tonka, and myrrh. Now the tonka is coming through, even though it's the base note. It actually is coming through at the start, and then it'll probably settle again. But the cinnamon and saffron are what? And the blue lotus, actually. There is a blue scent to it. That's so nice. The incense is gorgeous. Oh, okay, I really like this. There we go. I want to make that into a necklace. That's beautiful. I love the little bits of red in the detail, which is probably the saffron, to be honest. If you think about it, there's blue lotus, and there's the blue, and then the red has pops of saffron, and the cinnamon is the goldy warmth. So, yeah. It says it's got an amber, spicy, woody are the main accords. This is from Frangentica. And it's glorious. It was released in 2023. There's frankincense as well, and myrrh. So it's this, oh, it's just really lush. It's lush. So this box and this symbol and this bottle all equal its lushness of the scent. I can't really explain it, but it's like how you would imagine an incense-filled room with in the Oriental, well, not Oriental, but in Egypt. What I imagine it anyway to be, with something. There's religious sense, and there's a sweetness as well, which is quite beautiful. The cinnamon and the saffron, but I think the blue lotus is what's giving it its sweetness. Yeah, it's, if you can afford it. And I bought this on sale, on a really big reduced sale, and then I got 10% off as well through All Beauty. And it's going to be my Christmas present, and my one and only Christmas present. It is an absolute splurge, but it is, from what I'm smelling so far, it's definitely worth it. Worth every little penny that I spent on it. And there we go. Oh, if you watched my previous video, the discotheque, which I've got just here. Dun, 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 dun. Discotheque. I've been wearing the naughty one, me on the dance floor. And I've been wearing it the last 2 days just to get a real feel of it, and it's really nice. It settles well. It doesn't last 8 hours, but it certainly lasts 6. So yeah, if you want to pop it on once throughout the day and have it go all night as well, then it's definitely worth it. I really like it as well. It settles to this sort of quite dusty, smoky, but sweet at the same time, if that makes any sense at all, because it's got violet and cassis, jasmine, there's the cashmere and the sandalwood are what's giving it the smoky, soft one, but with the floral undertones as well. So it's a really lovely one. I really like it. Please practice safe scents. Ha 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 ha. I didn't notice that before. So yes, that's the discotheque from the previous video. If you haven't watched it, I'll link it up here so that you can see it. And until next time, I might do shoes again next time. I might do perfume, but I probably will do shoes. Oh look, you can see me in it. Hi, hi. Anyway, beautiful, beautiful perfume. Beautiful. Oh, the cinnamon and the saffron are really coming through now. The blue lotus has settled a bit, and it's now saffron and cinnamon bark and incense. Oh yeah, oh yeah. If you like those sorts of ambery, woody, oriental chypres, I would definitely recommend this as one to go for. Okay, Queen of the Night. Right. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, take care of yourselves. Take care of your noses because of scenting. Scenting? You know what I mean, because of wearing scents. What am I saying? I've had a long day and I'm tired. Anyway, yeah, until next time, take care of yourself and take care of each other and love yourself. Okay. Bye. Bye bye bye. Bye bye bye. Bye 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 bye.